What is up, my crypto legends? How is everyone doing? Let's analyze the situation here. Why are we having this relief rally? Where are there some opportunities to make some gains here, guys? This is what we're going to go through in today's live stream. So make sure to wrap up here, smash up the like button, and let's dive in straight into the Bitcoin price, guys, because we're having a little bit of a relief pump. This is Bitcoin on the 4 hourly. Right now, we did get these kind of lot of wicks to the downside. Okay, very scary price action. It did look like that we were going to break down this daily level, this support right over here. As you can see, that we were bouncing late August and the beginning of September. We managed to hold nicely. This was the point of control from the volume traded the last few weeks. Okay, 2 to 3 weeks. The point of control was exactly at this level where we did manage to get this small little bounce. Now, what major opportunities has there been? If we're looking for day trades and scalping opportunities, we're going to go through that educational content there. I've actually just exited long scalp, guys. And let me know in the comment section if you have longed scalp Bitcoin anywhere in this area, guys. Let me know, okay? Let me know if you've scalped or if you longed Bitcoin somewhere inside of this range and why, because I'm going to explain why there was good long opportunities here and here, guys. Okay, and I'm going to go through right away, guys. Let me know, guys, if anyone did manage to long Bitcoin in the comment section. And according to our strategy that we're talking about, okay, breakout volume, all right, also value area low and value area high of the volume, fixed volume profile. We're going to go through that in just 1 second, okay? This is looking at Bitcoin at the 15-minute chart the last 2 days, all right? And I'm going to explain where there has been good opportunities inside of this zone, inside of this reversal. Let's go through the comment section. But first of all, guys, smash up the like button for this educational first 10 to 20 minutes to see what has happened and what could potentially happen with Bitcoin so you can profit at the end of the day, guys. Proven strategies that do work. Every live stream, we go the first 10 to 20 minutes showing you those strategies, proving to you how you can actually make some gains. No financial advice. I'm going to show you. I'm actually still in a long position right over here on Bybit, all the way down here at 19,865. I'm still in that long position, closed most of my profits, but still having some of that position open just in case we go higher, right? Claim the highs. I'm going to go through this trade, but I've just closed a scalp also on the BTC US dollar tether perpetual on Bybit. That one is closed because it was just a scalp with high leverage. It was insane, guys. I'm going to go through right now. I've still got this trade long open from 19,855 approximately, and I'm going to go through why I'm in this trade, okay? and also the trade that I've just closed a few minutes ago, which was absolutely phenomenal. But all of this is to show you how you can find those opportunities next, okay? Maybe tomorrow you're going to say, hey, Andy, I've got into that trade based on the analysis, on the strategy of volume breakout, okay, and bounce at resistance support. So that's the plan, guys. Make you a better trader at the end of the day. Let me quickly go through the comment section, guys, and say hello. And please give me 5-10 minutes for that educational content to explain these kind of movements and where you could have gotten some opportunities. And then I will go through the comment section right away, take a look at some altcoins and connect a little bit with the community. Pac-Man already smashed the like button in anticipation of this free educational content from Andy. Absolutely phenomenal. Let's take a look. Dippin, yo, how are you doing? Pratesh, yo. King Andy, says Farad. Wow, thank you very much for those kind words. Let's go, Joseph. Telugu, hello. Fabian, Marcel, Harris, what's up? Felipe, Gutierrez, Andy Crypto Legends, how are you, Felipe? DJ Samari, Glow, Jacob, Smashed, Maud Fustang, what's up? Marcel, Nitra the Monkey, I already liked it because I know I'm already going to like it, says Nitra the Monkey. Absolutely phenomenal. Well, you're going to absolutely love. David, thank you very much for joining. David, one of my moderators here, also in the live stream. John Edge, how are you doing? Feeling silly in a short from 19,554. Now I know. Well, if you are in a short all the way down there, you should really should have had tight stop losses, because if you are, depending if it's a swing trade, but shorting all the way down here is absolutely crazy in my personal opinion. We can go through scenarios here on this movement to the downside, but it's very dangerous when the price is going down so low. You are looking for a bounce or relief rally at some point, and these are the opportunities you want to take, okay? When we have been going down for so long, guys, if it's not a quick scalp, just accept that you lost, the opportunity in going down. Make sure to be ready to take advantage of the opportunity when you have that reversal, because at the beginning of a potential reversal, you could get into really nice opportunities. This is what I'm going to go through right away on the live stream, guys. So make sure to absolutely destroy the like button just for that educational content. Just saying hello here. XRP, please, says Rodrigo. We're going to take a look at some altcoins in just a few minutes. I'm going to keep that educational content explaining these movements, guys, so you can take advantage of the market. So, Joseph, my man, thank you very much for joining the live stream. Joseph, also one of my moderators here, giving insane support like always. Hello, Andy King. Dent, please, says Zion. Okay, we're going to take a look at some altcoins. Top man, says Crypto. Thank you very much. Hello to everyone. Hope you're having a fantastic Saturday. Let's jump in here on Bitcoin, because it's absolutely beautiful what has been happening. We're getting a little bit of a reaction at this level. I think it is possible that we can break it and actually test the highs. Why these highs? Well, basically, if we do take a look at all this trading range at this moment, then we can see, let me just get all the entire range. We were dropping out from this range over here, as you can see. We were getting a little bit of a reaction here. Of course, you could arguably discuss that you're looking for a short position right there, right? Because you're thinking, oh my goodness, it's very likely that we will continue down. Well, if you are entering into a short position in this consolidation, guys, well, of course, you want to have those tight stop losses. If you stuck in a short position here, then, you are at the risk of this going higher, getting liquidated, or you're adding to your position. These strategies are very, very bad. Accept the stop loss, a tight stop loss, just accept it. And that's it, guys, basically. But what I want to show you right over here is the price action of Bitcoin getting back in this value area, okay, from the volume traded the last few days. It's about 3-4 days. Today's the, what date is it today? The 17th, going to the 14th to the 17th. 3 days here inside of this range. And what happened is that we got acceptance back inside of this range, as you can see. So let me just get the value area fixed range here out of the way. What I want to show you, okay, very important. Let's just focus on what has happened with this price action. Once you start getting above these last lower highs, which are these ones right there, okay? Volume wasn't crazy big, but it was enough. There was a spike in volume. It wasn't huge, but it's enough to see that there are some bullish intentions, right? So you did get that spike here in volume, as you can see, on this move to the upside. So if you are breaking this kind of zone right there, you could assume that all of this consolidation and where you do have a lot of volume profile is potentially going to hold nicely as support, right? These high levels, this range is likely after this break up going to hold pretty nicely as support. So this is what happened basically. We did have some volume. It would have been nice to see higher volume to give you more confidence. But basically this is one of the main reasons I did enter this long at 19,855, especially after seeing this reaction over here. Of course, you're seeing that exhaustion, low volume. You are likely to come and retest the highs. This is why I entered this long trade, because it was shifting here from lower highs, lower lows. This high over here has already broken structure. It has already broken here the last lower high range, which is this one. So if you consolidate with low volume, you are likely to come back up and retest the highs. So far, absolutely phenomenal. This is the whole reason why I entered here, looking for that next move up, guys. So that is basically the reason. There's not much more reason than that. Of course, if you do take a look at the volume profile, also this is helping you because you also getting above a big major big major spike here on the VPVR. Super important. If you do get this move up here above this whole consolidation and consolidate here with low volume, you are likely to have that move up. Okay, let me just explain right away. That's one trade. That's the trade that I am in, and I'm going to explain the scalp position that I got in just a few minutes actually before the live stream. I wished I would have gotten this pump on the live stream, guys. Let me know right away. Hello Andy, was a descending channel breakout on BTC. My short on BTC 22.3 is still open. Ethereum 1,730 still open, says ride safe always. Absolutely phenomenal. Seb, thank you for joining the live stream. Yeah, I mean, that's phenomenal. You could have some shorts open from those levels, but we can also have some longs, right? We can also get into those scalping opportunities. So let me just go through this opportunity right away. Okay, look at this. I mean, this is just a quick scalp that I just took, and I took profits here at the 618. Just closed my entire position because it was absolutely phenomenal. Let me know, guys, if anyone took this trading long opportunity. These are the kind of strategies that we are talking about here for the last few months right now on the live stream. And what did happen, guys? What did happen? Come on, guys. I know you know this. I know you know where the opportunity was. Let me know, guys, in the comment section. Today for the Bitcoin prize. Mark Dirch, how are you doing? Thanks for joining the live stream, my man. Let me just go quickly. Oh my goodness, what am I doing? Sorry about this. Am I still live? Am I still live? Ooh. Hang on 1 second, guys. Yes, I'm still live. Right. Okay. Sorry, guys. I thought I was lagging. Chili's price prediction, please. Yeah, but first of all, let's go through Bitcoin, guys. Come on, let's go through Bitcoin. We want to have these. I'm long on Ethereum on 1,425. Absolutely beautiful, Mark. I'm long from 19,500. Absolutely phenomenal. From 19,500. Come on, guys. You're doing much better than me. Yes, I'm live. Yeah, I'm live. I thought I was lagging here a little bit, guys. Sorry. Today for the Bitcoin price. Where is the long position, guys, here? If we're taking a look at volume, where is that long scalp? It just happened a few minutes ago. I was just getting ready for the live stream. Got into the long. closed my long position. And I've got this other one open, but this was just a quick scalp level to level. Where is this long opportunity, guys? Let me know. Can you see it on the chart? Waiting for the next entry. Yeah, we can take a look at some different scenarios. I got in a long at 19,760. Okay. How much margin you use? I'm using between 1 and 3% on my capital. Usually it's about 1%. 3% would be if I'm aggressive, or 0.5%, sorry, if I'm really conservative. And I might add to that position if it's a swing trade. It all depends. But anyway, guys, the opportunity that we have that we talk about here for the last few weeks is basically big volume. This is the 3-minute chart, guys. You can scalp this. You can take a look at these charts on the 1 minute, 3 minute, 5-minute chart. So, you know, who can see the opportunity right here? I can. I jumped in, jumped out here just before the live stream. I've still got one long open on Bybit from this area. Taken most profit because we've tested the high, but it's still open just in case we do have some bumpy action. Got a small percentage. Open or isolated? Isolated I use. So yeah, let me just go through here, guys, the strategy, because I can see some people are long. But where was the long opportunity, guys? Well, of course, the long opportunity was right over here. Where did we have a big spike in volume, breaking here these resistance levels? We had it right over here. This spike in volume does have some pretty intense volume. Looking at the 3-minute chart or looking at the 1-minute chart, okay? You have a pretty intense volume spike. It has reacted as resistance. There we go. I got someone here. Yes, long BTC at 19,925 and Ethereum at 1,433. I got it, says DJ Samari. So at least we got someone that got it. I'm doing this mistake always, not using stop loss. Always use a tight stop loss, accept the loss, and go to the next trade. Don't hold those positions, okay? Open and have large liquidations are very, very far away. Where was the guys? The trade was here, basically. You know, this is price action from today. This is very early this morning where we had this spike all the way down, all the way up here to slightly above $20,000 with a huge amount of volume. Where did we have a breakout? Just less than an hour ago, guys. Look at this. Oh, we got it, guys. We got that breakout above the resistance level with this huge amount of volume. Where do we bounce? And this is a strategy that works 70 to 80% of the times, guys. 2 trades today, all in profit. I've got one here protected just in case we go slightly higher. Why not? We'll keep a percentage open. It's protected. My capital is protected right now. This trade can be free. It's open. I'm just going to pay you some slight fees here. This is absolutely golden. Look at this. Beautiful bounce to the exact top here from this morning's pump at $20,000, slightly above $20,000. Okay. Right there with a huge amount of volume. We break out the zone with big volume. Where do we retrace to with low volume is exactly at that $20,030, okay? The spike from early this morning with high volume. Where do we go up to? At least to the 618. I closed it all at 618 because we were having that consolidation, as you can see here. I was happy with my profits. 618, but we actually almost retested the highs. We basically did retest the highs. You could arguably discuss that this is maybe going to double top and we're going to have a breakdown. We can find for the next opportunity. But look at this, guys. This is the strategy that we talk about on the live streams. Always. If you were paying attention, come on, guys. I mean, this is just it's a small percent move, okay? But if you're using a 60, 70x leverage, come on, you're making 60, 70% gains, all right, with this 70% move to 0.70% move to the upside. If you these scalps are for using 60, 70x leverage, okay? You can't use a 3x leverage on this move because you're going to make peanuts, basically. You need to, with these scalp movements, you need to make, you need to push on with the leverage. But this is such a huge high probability trade, guys. I can see someone did double top on the 5 minute. Yeah, very possible. But are you going to short here? Are you going to short this as a double top? No. What you want to do is get into the first bounce from the breakout, guys. Look at this. We bounced to perfection to from $20,000, $30. Pay attention on this, guys. This happens almost every single day, and it has up to an 80% win rate. And we prove this every single time on the live streams. Every single time. You got it right there. So it was just phenomenal. I wish I would have done the live stream just about 1 hour ago, because we could have longed this live. But never mind, it's there. I'm proving to you how the breakout with the volume right there is getting that bounce to this exact level. You're in and you're out. That's it. We do not know if it's going to double top and come down. We do not know if it's going to break the resistance high here. It maybe will, maybe not. This is why you only trade the first bounce to come and retest the highs, because you're likely to retest the highs. You're in and you're out. That's it. You profit and you go and take a beer and go and see your friends, and that's it. Yeah, I can see. I did see someone here did manage to get into that trade. Who's still long in BTC? What are the targets? I mean, targets are here, basically. Targets are really here. I'm still in some of this long. I've closed this scalp because we could come down from this range. But I'm still in this long here. I did take most of profits at these highs. But yeah, I've got about 30% of this trade still open, just in case we do manage to get another leg up here in between today and tomorrow. What is the target for the long? The target for the long has happened. It was $20,140 approximately, these highs. But why could we get rejected? I mean, it's just as simple as going to the 1 hourly chart, 15 minute chart, just to check here the range that we have been trading in since the 13th of September, right? We're taking a look at the last 4 days. Where are we hitting right now? If I take the VPVR here, we're hitting the point of control, guys. This is a huge, huge resistance level. So if you are longing, I mean, this is a take profit range. The point of control inside of a range is always a take profit area, okay? Always. So there's no time to long right here. The longs were here, getting the breakout of structure here of the lower highs, right? Lower high. This is the moment you want to get interested in. This is the moment you're interested in. Of course, you're not going to long the high. You're waiting for that retracement to that big spike on the VPVR, big resistance levels, getting that consolidation with lower volume to come and retest the highs. This is basically why I longed here at 19,850, okay, here on Bybit. So yeah, point of control. I mean, more than a long, you could, I mean, this would be looking for shorts. Of course, I'm not going to short this area because I do think that we can go to the value area high of this range. I think we could pump to 20,300. It is very, very possible. After a consolidation here, maybe a small retracement and maybe another leg up. But like I said, opportunities were here, guys. I'm going to go through the next potential scalp scenario if you wish. Hello, Andy Atom, please. Is the VPVR available on the Pro version on TradingView? Yes, it is. I only use the Pro version. Pro version is fine. It has the tools that I need. It's only $15 a month. So, well, it's $15 a month. So, yeah, VPVR does come with the Pro version, John. VPVR is a must-have. Especially you got the fixed range, you got the SVP, if you want to know the range also. Fixed range on the volume profile. You've also got the SVP, which is telling you the daily VPVR levels, okay, value area high and low, and point of control from each day. It's absolutely key for trading for me. Let's go through Ethereum. Why not dipping? Let's take a look at Ethereum here for dipping, and also let's take a look at Atom. Okay, let's take a look at some altcoins here for the community. Dead rabbit bounce, the viral videos. Let's take a look at Ethereum. VPVI is available for free. I don't think so. It wasn't for me. Anyway, I don't think it's free on TradingView. Probably in other platforms. Right, let's take a look at Ethereum right away, guys. But absolutely golden. We can take a look at some scalp opportunities if you want on Bitcoin. Bitcoin is the one that I do my full analysis. But we can take a look at some altcoins. Let me know, guys. Quick scalp long on Ethereum. Let's take a look at Ethereum right away. Come on. Ethereum. Basically on Ethereum, we tested the lows. We did test the lows. 2 days ago, live stream from 2 days ago was basically, knowing that we were likely going to break this ascending broadening wedge to the downside. It was highly probable. There were two scenarios here. We either break now or we bounce and break later. But overall, it was unlikely to get above 1,700 successfully. So these were the scenarios. We were looking for to hit that $1,420 low. We hit it. We're getting a bit of a relief rally. So what is happening here with this range? I mean, obviously, these lows, it's a little bit of a risky long, but yeah, looking at Bitcoin, it was pretty nice because Bitcoin was hitting a pretty large support level. It was starting to having some bullish momentum, breaking the lower high, last lower high. And right now, Ethereum is getting a small relief rally. I did say to my community, my ideal short for Ethereum, of course, you can speculate along right there. I've been only trading Bitcoin today, because Bitcoin is the place to go, really. It respects the levels so well. Remember, if you are interested in trading Bitcoin on Bybit, you get an insane bonus down below if you scroll down here in the video description. It's up to $4,550 worth of bonus that can be claimed at the rewards hub, and you got 0% maker fee for 30 days if you sign up. It only takes 2 minutes. You need to go all the way up here to your profile, to the rewards hub, and claim those bonuses. You will have different tabs, and you need to follow the steps to claim up to $4,450. So let's go here quickly through Ethereum. And basically on Ethereum, my highest probability trade scenario is coming all the way up to this resistance zone. We talked about this on yesterday's live stream, where yeah, basically it would be the point of control around the 1,550, 1,570. I want to see a reaction at that level. What is a reaction? Well, this is a reaction right there, okay? Kind of a consolidation, a small consolidation here with several hour candles, trying to break the highs. Because what is likely to happen after this kind of movement at a resistance zone? You are likely to have that correction, as you can see. You're likely to have this correction. So of course, if you're hitting a big resistance zone. So this would be the high probability resistance. Of course, you can long speculate. I do see some people that are longing Ethereum. Some people saying that 1,420, 1,430. Some people getting into some longs. Scalp BTC, please, says Chris. Yeah, we can take a look at Bitcoin also for some scalping opportunities, no doubt, guys. But what I just explained on Bitcoin that I'm going to go through right now for some people that are coming new in the stream or new subscribers is so you can do it at the end of the day by yourself, guys. So you can practice. I'm just going to be here also to do that educational content and go through the scenarios every single time and explaining why there was that opportunity right there, right? So you can get it inside of your brain and react to that once you see it on the chart and you know, manage to make some gains on that. Anyway, Ethereum, of course, we're at the lows. What could happen at a low level, which is support? What could happen? Of course, it can break down or it can have a bounce. We don't really exactly know what is going to happen. So we can speculate here with a tight stop loss, of course, you know, that you are going to get that bounce. I mean, this is not a trading zone for me, really, on Ethereum, because I do not know if we're going to break down or we're going to have that bounce. So there's not too much of a probability right there, okay? Is there a higher probability in getting a bounce or is there higher probability in breaking down? It's a kind of a 50-50 for me. So this is why I wouldn't trade a short or a long at this level. If anything, I would trade a long because it's at support basically. But I wouldn't trade it. But if I had to, if I got a gun on my head and say trade it, I would go long because we're at support. But I wouldn't trade it myself. I would trade on Ethereum the 1,550 range. Why that level? Well, this has got a huge amount of resistance, this level. Why? Because, first of all, it's where we do get quite a lot here of volume profile from the price action trader the last couple of weeks. This is going all the way till the 20th, from the 20th of August. We got the point of control, which is around about $1,570. So you know that this is a big resistance level. Not only that, we have the higher lows right there, or depending on where, if we reach that level in between today and tomorrow, maybe it can happen. We could have a pretty nice relief pump. If it does, we do know that this is a huge zone where it's likely to get rejection. You got the higher low support level of this ascending broadening wedge that we talked about, and we got the point of control. And if we want to take a look at Fibonacci levels, you are in a descending channel, so we'd also be hitting the resistance zone, potentially having a fake out from these lower highs. And also, we want to take a look at Fibonacci from the highs to the lows. And exactly that 1,550, 1,570 would be that 61865 level here at Fibonacci from this high to the low. What else can we add as confluence to give us that confidence that we are likely to go lower after this pump? Well, the volume going lower, guys. Check out here. We're having a little bit of price action here to the upside with some volume, but this is baby volume compared to this volume. We have a big spike in red volume here from this dump. If we do manage to pump to 1,520, 1,550 and get a little bit of that volatility at this zone over here with low volume, you are likely that you are going to push back down in the coming days to claim the lows here. Now, do we know if that is going to happen? Are we going to get that relief pump all the way up here? Probably not, guys. But that if we do, that would be the high probability trade scenario, and this is what we want to take a look at. Tell me a book. Tell me any book for trading so I can learn. There are so many books. It's just information. So many books. I like harmonics. There's a huge amount of books. If you want basic technical analysis, you can get the technical analysis for dummies. It's pure basic technical analysis going from candlesticks to different kind of patterns. And then you can go more extensive. I've got a huge amount of books here that I could show you. And a lot of them are a lot of them are crap. I remember a few years ago, let me just show you. What is it? Trading for a living. I got trading for a living. Trading in the zone, That's trading for a living, and it's all about psychology. Van Keithart, this is in Spanish. Tener éxito en trading. Huge amount of different psychological books that I think are BS. They're absolutely BS. I haven't learned anything from these psychological psycho trading, right? Nothing. It's absolutely BS. All of these psychological books are absolutely crap. What you need to have is very good risk management. That is your psychological tip right there. All of the rest, there are some different ones. The Bible here, I mean, this was one of my first books that I read back in 2017, bloody hell, which is Technical Analysis from John Murphy. This is the Bible, basically, of technical analysis. And I would say don't read it, because, I mean, all information is good. You're not going to be a profitable trader by reading this technical analysis book. I will be getting a course done for trading strategies. Very, very short and not too much information. I've read so many crap. It's just giving me, it's giving you experience. It's giving me experience, but a lot of them are just a bunch. They're too much information. You don't need that much information. Yeah, Ben, sorry about that. You okay? You seem to be talking to the wall. I'm just showing you here a couple of books. Anyway, yeah. You could, if you want basic, I would go with Technical Analysis for Dummies, which is really nice and basic. Let's take a look at some cryptos right away. So that's Ethereum, basically. I think Ethereum could relief pump. Overall, I think it can break the lows at some point. We could have more relief pumps all the way up here. If it does, what I'm interested here on Ethereum, guys, is the type of consolidation that we do have, okay? I do not want to see the price action doing this and having big spikes in volume, because I will not short this, guys. If we do get a big spike in volume here, hitting this resistance zone, I know that the bulls are fighting this level, and it's probably going to break up. So this is why volume reading is insanely important when you're hitting a resistance zone. Anyway, let's take... How much are you going to charge? I mean, this is... I'll have to charge something, but it won't be very, very much. I'll have to charge something, because if not, it's going to be too many people. I'm going to keep it pretty... I will be doing Discord also. I will be in a Discord, taking a look at multiple scenarios. And obviously, this has to come. But yeah... a lot of things you learn in your early stages of trading are mostly useless after a few years, says Nomad Man Beats. Absolutely. Absolutely. This is totally true. Totally true. Yeah, I've read, you want to learn so much in just a couple of years that you start buying books. I've done about 5 different trading courses online. They're good. Some of them were good, some of them are bad, but it's just all information, and you just put in the trash what doesn't work, and you keep what works. So, Infanu, are you in a trade? Yes, I am. Andy, love you, man. Game Pro, I love you too. Thanks for joining. 95% doesn't work, says West Luna. This strategy that I'm talking about is absolutely golden. I will be doing this course and going through intensively on this strategy and how to detect the fake outs and how to detect the real breakouts, guys. But this 95% doesn't work. I mean, not that high, but 80% of this strategy does work, guys, and we prove it here almost every single day. Volume breakouts on the lower time frames for scalps, when you're breaking that resistance level with high volume and you retrace with low volume to that level, you are highly probable going to get a bounce to retest the highs, guys. This happens almost every single day. Almost every single day. There's probably going to be a day there's no volume and you're range trading. But it works, guys. It works, and it's proven here. Andy, 95% worked. Yes, I am in a long position. Andy, you long or short on Bitcoin? Thank you for your kind words. Game Pro. I'm in a long. I was in two longs. I explained this at the beginning of the live stream. I'm in a day trade here from 19,870. I've taken over 70% of my profits here on this long because my target was the highs. And then I entered into another scalp on the BTC USDT perpetual. I'm trading Bitcoin here, but I also got USDT. I did enter in a scalp. And basically, I just wanted to explain why I entered here. I don't want to go through it again, but I'll just go quickly for the people that are not in the live stream. If you take a look at the VPVR here, volume profile from the volume traded the last 3-4 days, you can see here we had a big major resistance consolidation right there, price action with a big spike here in the volume profile. Of course, you are aggressively creating lower lows and lower highs, right? Or here on the chart, okay? You have this next low. Of course, trading short here at the very, very lows of a trend is very, very risky because you will have a relief pump at some point. So what I did here, of course, once we got this breakout of the last lower high range, as you can see here, guys, this is the level why I traded. We got inside of this big gap in the volume profile. There's no volume here, guys. There's no volume. So this is why we had this leg up. Where are we getting supported? At the spike, at the highs of this consolidation. If we do zoom in here on the 5-minute chart, and I'm going to take a look at volume. Of course, volume was not great, but we did have that spike, okay? We did have that spike in volume on the 5-minute, 3-minute chart, if you wish. And we consolidated to this range with no volume. The selling pressure wasn't there. There was no selling pressure. People were not interested in shorting. So if you have this spike in green volume breaking here, the highs, the last lower highs, which are these ones, you're not breaking last lower high here, you're breaking it here, you have a high probability in getting a bounce from this zone and claiming the highs. And this is exactly why it's just simple as that, guys. This is why I entered this long trade here on Bybit at the $19,850 range. And also, I did scalp another trade here. It was a quick scalp here before the live stream. I wish I would have gone live to take a look at this live with you guys. There's nothing better than actually seeing this live for you. But we will get into some live trades. Don't worry, guys. It will happen live at some point. These big scalp opportunities. My other scalp long was right over here, exactly at $20,040 approximately, where we were getting that bounce here from this spike in volume created early this morning, hitting the $20,030, $20,040, big spike in volume. We break that high with high volume and we get that quick, nice opportunity bounce at the resistance zone, guys, and claim the highs. You're looking for the 618 just in case you create a lower high, because it does happen, or you're looking for the highs for the second target, basically. Absolutely golden. This happened absolutely beautifully. Let's take Legend Andy uses Axa deodorant. No worries about sweating. My hair's a bit crazy today, but it doesn't matter. Do you have Bybit copy trade, Andy? I am thinking about doing Bybit copy trading. But I want to get focused on the course also, because I will be very active on, the best thing you could do, because there's a huge amount of fees involved on copy trading. I want to focus on the course and give a lot of support to the people that are going to join the course and the private Discord. I want to focus on that mainly, because at the end of the day, you want to be a better trader, not someone to trade your money. Andy, look at sweat, please, says Legend. Let's take a look at sweat US dollar. Can you explain, please, fastest strategy, says M. Albacher. Yeah, just explained it. I explained it on many live streams. This is one of the main strategies that I'm going to do on the course, but going intensively to know how to detect fake outs and where you have the higher probability scenarios. Of course, on the live streams, it's pretty quick. It does look really simple when you take a look at it like this. Break resistance, down, bounce with low volume. But it will be very much explained and very clear, because I prove to the community that this happens every single day on Bitcoin. Almost every single day. There might be a day where you just range trading and you have no volume at all, but almost every single day it does happen. Anyway, let's take a look at sweat. Is this a crypto for real? Sweat economy. What the hell? What the hell is this? Sweat economy. I mean, they probably need to rebrand their name. I'm not sure if they're going to get much interest with this name. Yeah, let's take a look at it. I mean, this one's pretty much flat. Do we have any price data here on sweat? On TradingView, sweat US dollar. I'll take a look at the project. I will take a look at it. Why not? I mean, I am looking for 2 to 3 high risk to reward cryptos for the next bull run, guys. It's the bear market. It's time to buy. I'm going to add about 3 cryptos. Let me know a good low cap, high risk cryptocurrency where I can throw a bunch of cash and just leave it there for a potential moonshot. If it doesn't do anything, of course, it doesn't matter. Because yeah, these are high risk investments, of course. Sweat. There's nothing much to say on sweat. It's only been added a few days ago here on different exchanges, on FTX, also on Bitfinex. Yeah, this one's only been added a few days ago. So not much to say about this one on technical analysis. It's just kind of flat there. It's having a little bit of an uptrend at this moment. But yeah, not much to say. This is a relatively new cryptocurrency, just been out for a few days. We cannot do much TA on this. Sweat is a new coin on Near. Yeah, I'm gonna on Near. Well, it does say here that it's on the Ethereum blockchain. So it's not on Near. Let's take a look at Atom right away. A lot of people like Atom. Let's take a look at Atom. I use Sweat through an app where they pay me to walk. Phenomenal, Sergio. Let's take a look. Let's take a look at Atom. Why not, guys? Let's take a look at Atom. Let's do a little bit of TA on Atom. Wow, I mean, Atom did come back up and claim the highs. Absolutely crazy. Came back up to claim the highs. If we zoom out on Atom on the daily, main reason why it's getting rejected here from this $17 area, okay, is because it's been a huge support level back in 2021. It was a huge resistance. We managed to bounce again here in September of 2021 and also in April of 2022 and May. It was holding as support. We are currently right now hitting it as resistance. So if we go to the 4 hourly, that would be in the ideal short right there, the first retest. Right, first retest for that potential short. You are aggressively in an uptrend on Atom. So I did see someone in the comment section saying, hey, look for a short on Atom. This is the second retest. There is a possibility in double top or breakout. What would be the best scenario here? Waiting for a swing failure pattern, of course. What is a swing failure pattern? Well, basically you are looking to claim the highs created on the 9th of September. If you do claim these highs, and this is what we want to see. We want to see a big spike in volume to the highs and then low volume coming into this range. And if you do get that attempt to break out with very low volume, you are likely to get that double top scenario in a big correction. So basically what you want to see here, looking at the 1 hourly or 4 hourly, you want to see that attempt breakout and a fail and a consolidation, so you could potentially enter into short with a tight stop loss just in case this is a failed a failed attempt for the short. Just in case you do this, then that swing failure did not play out. Swing failure patterns are high probability trades, and they do play out 70 also to about 75% of the times, but there is that 20-25% of the times that it just doesn't happen. It can stop you out. So this is why you want to stop loss above the wick for that breakout. Get that liquidity above these highs. People get bullish, and if you come back in and consolidate, you have low volume, you are likely to retrace back down here to the lows, to the low levels. So that is what I would be looking. Of course, what would be another high probability trade? Just imagine in the next coming days, you do have an explosive breakout here with a huge amount of volume. We know that this level is huge on Atom, okay? It's a big level. This $17 level was the lows back in 2021, bouncing a lot of the times there. It's getting resistance right now. We know that this is a good level. How do I know if it will be a successful breakout? It will be as simple as seeing at least a $2-3 pump with a huge, big volume candlestick here. And I would say this is a successful breakout. If we start having some choppy action above $17 like this, I'm going to say this is not a successful breakout. You're double topping out. You're getting exhausted. You're likely to come back down. So I want to see a big explosive breakout. And of course, if it does kind of correct all the way down to this $17 range with low volume, you know the deal, guys. We're looking for that quick day trade or scalp scenario, depending on what time frame this does happen. Exactly the same as what happened with Bitcoin here. You got the highs from early this morning, looking at the 5-minute chart. You break it with high volume. You come down and you bounce and you claim the highs. You're in and you're out. Period. Simple. That's it. We are going to 20,800. I hope we go up there before coming back down to 19,800 and getting stopped out here from my long. Let's see if we do go up there. I think so. I think it is very, very possible. I think it's very possible for a bigger relief pump. Guys, I'm going to wrap it up, guys. It is Saturday. Long BTC to 25k using 50x leverage. Thank me later, says West Luna. Stay cautious, guys. Stay cautious, protect positions. Make sure to destroy the like button, guys. If you enjoyed the live stream, check out the beginning of the live stream for that educational content, talking about these scenarios, talking about, these trading scenarios. Of course, my next kind of trade here, if we have a solid breakdown from this level, stay cautious with choppy action, okay? If we have a solid breakdown from this resistance, this level will be turning quickly into resistance. You've got a quick, nice little scalp there that can happen. I want to see a big breakout with volume though, not choppy action with low volume, because this could be easily kind of a fake out and you come back up. But I would be looking for a quick short. Exactly what happened here, but inverted, right? Bang, bang, bang. You want bang, bang, and then this is where you enter, this is where you exit, because you do not know if you're going to continue down or if you're going to double bottom. And that is where you have your high probability trade. Guys, thank you very much. Smash up the like button. More educated than an hour ago, says John Edge. Absolutely phenomenal. Thank you very much for your kind words. Take care, guys. I'm going to continue getting wrecked in a non-financial way. Seb, stay safe. Make sure to trade safe also. Thank you, moderators, for joining the live stream. Thank you, guys, for the insane support. Remember that you do have insane bonuses on Prime XBT also. S&P 500 getting a little bit of a relief pump on Friday. Let's see what happens. It's managing to hold by a thread here, a major support level. Remember, you get an insane bonus on Prime XBT, 7% added to your deposit with Bitcoinsensus 50 as the promotion code. And on Bybit, of course, my favorite go-to place for trading on crypto. You get $4,450 worth of bonus, guys. Make sure to sign up, claim this at the rewards hub, and you get 0% maker fee for 30 days also, guys. Take advantage of it, only for those experienced traders, of course. Check out Bitcoinsensus website if you want to know the latest technical analysis posts that we do every single day here. We've got different stuff, price predictions, guides. Check it out, guys. All our socials are down below. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next one.